Round.
Okay. Oh.
Ito win.
Yung party 8, kung click yung map na yung moon is always mid ha. Moon, mid yan. Okay? Kung mamatay kayo pag hindi kayo na ng price, pag hindi kayo na-revive ng price, revive kayo sa moon. At 20 minutes and 30 seconds, position na tayo 1 to 6 below sa moon. Tapos yung party 8, position na kayo dun sa star. Party 7, position sa sun.
Sige lang.
40 seconds, 40 seconds.
4 seconds.
Second guys ha. Position guys, position. Party 1 to 6 guys, position tayo. Below sa moon, party 8 sa star, party 7 sa sun.
30 seconds.
Pagpasok natin guys, lapag AOA skills, pagpasok natin, lahat ng Biokem, diretso. Sige, go, go in. Kalaban, may kalaban. Go in lang guys.
Ulit ko.
Let's go sa in between sun and moon, Let's go in between sun and moon 1 to 6. In between sun and moon 1 to 6. Party 1 to 6 in between sun and moon guys.
Hello ko
muna
man
guys. Party 1 and 6 in between sun and moon. In between sun and moon, party 1 and 6, okay? Between sun and moon, party 1 and 6. PvP tayo dito sa sun guys, okay? Party 1 and 6. Party 8 ko din yung star ulit guys. Party 8 ko din yung star ulit. Okay, let's go in between moon and star. Let's go in between moon and star. Let's try to get star. Come here star. All tayo 1 to 6 star. Let's go. Wait first muna guys. In between muna tayo sa moon and star. Moon and star 1 to 6 moon and star. In between moon and star.
Alis mo na sa mga bilog guys.
Alis muna sa mga bilog. Ito yung gagawin natin para pag high level yung kataon lang talaga na medyo advantage tayo ngayon. Flip nyo muna yung mga ibigay nyo muna yung mga tablet.
Alis mo na sa tablet bro.
Flipping yung star, flipping yung sun sa kabila 1 to 6. Let's go sun. Flipping yung sun. Go in. Okay. Tapak sa sun. Okay, tapak sa sun. Good job. Okay. Party 7 stay on sun. Party 1 to 6 let's go moon. Party 1 and 6 let's go moon. Party 1 and 6 let's PvP muna sa moon. Okay lang, PvP muna sa moon. Okay, flipping star. Good job. Let's go on moon. Good job. Go na 1 to 6 let's go to sun. 1 to 6 let's go to sun. 1 to 6 let's go to sun. Okay, 1 to 6 huwag pa flip. Good job. Okay, tapak sa sun.
Galing, Asuros type of.
Ngayon naman 6.
Okay, stay on sun. Party 1 to 6 let's go to star.
Flip niya yung star.
Kumana tayo 1 to 6 in between moon and star. 1 to 6 in between moon and star. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go in.
Go in.
Go in. Okay, good job. Party of Nihility, stay on star, 1 to 6. Okay, 1 to 6 in between sun, in between star and moon. Pa-flip muna yung moon guys, huwag nyo munang tapakan. Okay, let's go in. Go in 1 to 6 sa moon, Nakuha nyo, flip nyo muna yung 1 to 6, let's go star. Okay, good job. Muna lang.
Okay.
Flipping na muna. Okay, good job.
Mali yung ROO. Yung sa start.
Ayun, na-flip na. Okay, let's go moon. Moon. Okay, let's go open na 30 seconds.
Anong padamihan ng kill yung mga GS.
Alam mo na.
700 kills.